Guys, it is actually a little bright. So I am doing a little bit of makeup. Going to my parents' house in just a little bit, and yeah, I'm really excited. I was actually really debating about like unboxing slash trying on the Lizzie Mcguire stuff, or if I should do like the Morphe one. I don't know. Like, I got it under the table and it's kind of a struggle, I guess. But yeah, the Morphe stuff is right in here. And then I got Colorpop. I don't know which one I should do. I'll probably just do this one. I don't know. Where did I put my things? Did I lose them? Where did I put it? I did. I lost them. I don't know where they went. Maybe try. Oh, I found them. They're underneath stuff. There we go. Haha. So I hope everyone is doing good today. Here is the inside of everything. I got a couple of extra things. I'm not going to put these on, but they're little crystals, and you put them on your face when you're done with your makeup. And then also I got 2 gel liners. I didn't even realize I ordered these until I seen them. But the creme gel liner, they're like these. It's a pretty much an Easter color, but they're really these eyeliners are amazing. They're really good quality. Alright, so like I said, I got the Lizzie Mcguire collection. I'm so excited. So excited about this. This is like childhood memories. I got these also to go with, because she always used to do like really fun things as well, but like pink stripped hair. I'll do that another time, just not today, because it's Easter. Ugh. So this, I probably won't ever use many of these, but they gave, in this collection has the glitter gel, which I'll show you guys in a little bit, but not very impressed with that. I don't know. But look at this packaging. Isn't that cute? I love it. Here is the palette. It comes with a mirror. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty. It has like all like light colors. It comes with a lip scrub. I probably will keep their boxes. Here is the lip scrub, and has the cartoon Lizzie Mcguire. Smells like bubble gum. Isn't that cute? It's like I'm putting bubble gum on my lips. That's cool. I've been trying to get into like more like lip scrubs and like getting like taking care of like my lip area. Alright, awesome. I like that. That's cute. Okay. It comes with 2 plumping gloss duos. This one is Ethan Craft, Gordo. Apparently I cannot pronounce Gordo right. Lizzie and Miranda. That's cute. I'm excited. I'm excited. And then it comes with also 2 blushes, which actually their blushes are really nice. This one is Delish. Oops. And it's more of like a lighter pink. And it has glitter in it. And then You Are Magnifico? I don't know. And this is a little bit of a darker pink, and it does have glitter in it. But, like, the design of it is really cute. Alright. Awesome. So, I am gonna go in with some setting spray. I'm gonna also look for some eye primer. Okay. I'm gonna put on the Illuminating Eye Primer, or Illuminating Primer as like my eye primer. Let it be illuminating. Alright, awesome. And then I'm gonna put on a regular primer around the face. We have our lotion primer, and then we also have the silicone primer, which will like pretty much mattify your makeup. Ooh, I still have some lip scrub on my. Is that dry? Alright, and then I'm going in with some more setting spray. I would end up using hours, but I just want to go through all the setting sprays that I do have, so I'm not wasting. And then I'm going in with this palette. I'm so excited. It's so pretty, you guys. Alright, and of course I'm going in with the Lizzie Mcguire palette. I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna add a little bit of color, but I am gonna go in with some neutrals just because I'm going to my parents' house and not really wanting to make a whole like colorful one, but I'm going to at least add some color though. I know it's Easter and like you were probably wondering like, oh my gosh, why is she going live? Because I need to get back into the groove, so that's why I am this color right here, I thought it was like a tan. It's definitely not. It's a pink. So it's called UGG. It is a really pretty like color. It's just